journey, this platform. Thank you. When I saw this documentary, I was absolutely amazed. It's been directed so beautifully. The simplest answer is that it was already there. It was in my cells. It was something that passed on. You know, it's like they say, intelligence passes on in your cells. That's what genetic evolution is. You know, you pass on and you get better. When my father said that he wants to make this documentary, I felt embarrassed. I don't like attention. And then I realized, no, this is not about me. It's not about me at all. This is about history, and history is important. It is the history of my ancestors, my parents, my grandfather, my chacha, that history that was in my cells that gave me that drive. There are stories that... sorry, I digressed from your question, but I hopefully answered that and more.
I think what you mentioned about being most proud is the fact that your drive for your first film passed on, and he'd be really proud to see how driven you were and how many people you inspired, including the likes of me and many sitting over here. Come on, Hrithik Roshan, man. All of us have had this moment. Give it up for this man who's inspired many of us.
There's no need to applaud. Thank you.
राकेश सर, आपके लिए हमने ट्रेलर देखा है, अब डॉक्यूमेंट्री तो हम पूरी देखेंगे 4 सीरीज की. What do you think Roshan Saab will be most inspired and most proud of today when he sees this entire journey?
You asked him the same question.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, the same question.
To all of you.
The same question, sir.
What he would have felt?
Yes, and what would be that one moment that we're most proud of? सबसे ज़्यादा.
I think we took his name ahead, and that is what he would have loved, and we did that.
जो legacy आप लोगों ने forward की है और इतनी बेहतरीन तरीके से.
I won't say legacy, but I'll say that we were inspired by his work, his contribution to the industry, and we gave our work as a contribution for so many years. My brother Rajesh and Hrithik. So we all contributed.
And so you've inspired all of us to be amazing with whatever we do. So thank you very much for that too. Thank you very much. Rakesh ji, Shashi ji, this is for both of you. How did the idea come about? Shashi sir, did you go to Rakesh sir with the idea? And how many years in the making for this master project to come together?
दिलचस्प कहानी है कि मैं राकेश जी का एक बहुत अच्छा फार्म हाउस है खंडाला के अंदर. ये मुझे वहाँ लेके जाते हैं अक्सर, और शाम को हम बैठते हैं तो गाने वाने गाते हैं, सुनते हैं. और अचानक एक दिन मैं कुछ रोशन साहब के 2 गाने मैंने गाए, तो गुरु जी सेड कि अरे यार, ये डैडी के गाने बहुत गाता हो तू. मैंने कहा हाँ, मुझे मालूम थोड़ा था कि मैं आपके फादर से आपसे मिलूंगा. मैं तो बचपन.
Did it throw you off guard slightly saying that? What was your first reaction?
I think I answered that already. I didn't like the idea. I was like, "Arey yaar, talking about me and talking about us." But as I said, I'll repeat it because you've asked me the question again. When I realized that this is about history and it is going to, be important for people to know other people's journeys. When you're aspiring and you're working against barriers in your life and you need inspiration, it is other people's stories that comes to the rescue. And if my grandfather's story, my father's story, my chacha's story, our entire arc can inspire, then that would be worth it. It would be worth it. So I think which is why I agreed to it, which is why I understood it, and now when I see it, I'm very happy with it.
Thank you.
बताता हूँ कि हम और शशि बैठे हुए थे फार्म हाउस पे, तो शशि ने कहा कि क्यों ना हम एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाए रोशन जी के ऊपर. तो मैं बोला हाँ, ये तो अच्छी बात है. And I told him we'll think over it. तो नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं शशि से मिला नेक्स्ट टाइम, So Manoj Shashi, what he said was, I thought about it and we should make it. But I think, can we make on the Roshans? Because there are very few families in this industry where 3 generations have contributed. So it's my father, then my generation, his generation, then Ritik's generation. So it will be the Roshans' contribution to the industry. And he immediately said, yes, let's go ahead, and if this happens, it'll be very good. So then I spoke with Ritik and I spoke with Rajesh, and that's how we started this.
राजेश जी, हमने राकेश जी से जान लिया, लेकिन आपको जब ये आइडिया मिला कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है और आपने कहा था कि
I'd like to share my son's compositions with him.
wow.
And that has come out of literally nothing. And as I said, it's perhaps something in the genes, perhaps something that is a gift from him.
It's beautiful. I mean, I think that was absolutely beautiful, and it's all passed on. And then what you do with your legacy, Monica, talking about the legacy of the work that you all put together, beautiful. And we've seen.
Netflix began doing documentaries in the US, and then they traveled all over the world from every market in every language. The whole grammar has changed. In fact, I feel the documentaries have sometimes, they're way more gripping as a format of storytelling, because you get to experience the authentic self of a person. वो खुद बात कर रहे हैं, अपने बारे में अपनी journey share कर रहे हैं. So what you go through that when you see, it's not just about the positive aspects of it. Everyone sees success. Very few of us, especially in the glamour industry, are able to really see the journey and the challenges that artists go through at various levels, whether they are accomplished artists, they are struggling artists. एक journey होती है और सबका एक and that journey is never a straight line. It's always a zigzag. There are always good things, and then there is real world challenges that happen, and art comes out of pain. The pain of lack, the pain of rejection, besides a lot of creative genius that is within you. So people who have shaped our culture and our entertainment, especially in India, our industry, not many of them have had their story shared. We are actually, as a people, not good at documenting. We've not documented so many things, and like Shashi was rightly saying, if students of cinema or people who are fans, if they have to experience कि वो 75 साल पहले कैसा म्यूजिक था, कैसे बना, like honestly I'm telling you, when I saw the the rough episode, and Geeta, really hats off to you for doing such a brilliant job on the edit with Shashi and Rakesh ji and and everyone who's involved.
रोशन जी जीत गए. रोशन जी का म्यूजिक आज भी हर बच्चा भी जानता है, मन रे तू काहे ना दी तेरे. तो ये मैजिक था उनका. और मैंने कुछ कहा था डॉक्यूमेंट्री में, जो आप देखेंगे, जो मैं विजुलाइज करता हूँ कभी कभी, सिर्फ कहने के लिए नहीं, मगर मुझे दिखता है कि रोशन जी हमारे साथ हैं, और डुगू को कैसे मिल रहे हैं, गुड्डू को कैसे मिल रहे हैं, मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, ये मुझे दिखता है. और जो मैंने थोड़ा जिक्र किया है डॉक्यूमेंट्री,
हमने शुरुआत में ही कहा था कि जनरेशंस को इंस्पायर किया उनके म्यूजिक ने, उनकी लेगेसी ने. और
दिखे ना, वो म्यूजिक टिक गया, वही म्यूजिक था. इसका मेजरमेंट क्या था? म्यूजिक का मेजरमेंट क्या होता है? यही होता है, अगर मेरा गाना 50 साल के बाद भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब वो अच्छा था भाई, वो उसमें कोई तकरार नहीं है, उसको कोई वो नहीं है.
I think way ahead of its time, और जिस तरह से उन्होंने visualize किया था.
Cut to I am 12 years old, and every song that my chacha used to create, he used to call me Dugo ko bulao. And I used to sit with him, and he used to play me 3 tunes, and he used to say choose. And sometimes I used to see my choice up on that screen.
Wow.
It used to be amazing, that feeling.
But he used to be a very good learner. You know in what way?
अरे आप लोग सब सतला को कोई देखेगा नहीं.
No, he used to come to the music room.
थोड़ा सा लगाम.
एक line. So he used to come to the music room and hear the song. So it had some Urdu words, some Hindi words, which were little difficult for him. But he used to ask very nicely, Chacha, इसका क्या मतलब होता है? What does the line mean? That is the learning power here.
तो इसका मैं
मुझे क्या लगता है अभी और क्वेश्चन मत पूछिए.
मुझे मत
अपने
पूछिए.
सिंपल लोग हैं तो सारे बता देंगे.
तो वो उर्दू में ही कहते हैं ना, उसका लुत्फ हम उठाएंगे 17 तारीख को. लुत्फ नहीं होता, लुत्फ होता है. लुत्फ होता है. लुत्फ वही तो कहा, लुत्फ कहा, लुत्फ नहीं कहा, लुत्फ. हाँ, नुक्ते के साथ.
लोगों की कहानी नहीं होती. ये कहानी ये बनाते हैं. गीता ने बनाई है, शशि ने बनाई है, एडिट करते हैं. और जब हमने पहली बार देखा पूरा ऑल द 4 सीरीज टुगेदर, तो मुझे यकीन नहीं हुआ कि वाकई में हमारी फैमिली ने इतना कुछ किया है फ्रॉम 77 ईयर्स. ये मेरी फीलिंग थी. इतना कंट्रीब्यूशन.
Well, we're looking forward to it on the 17th. And I think जब आप इस पर काम कर रहे थे इस डॉक्यू सीरीज में, when you were a part of this, did by any
थक जाएंगे यार.
ये लास्ट सवाल है, आखिरी सवाल है आपका. ये आखिरी वाला है.
आपकी एंकरिंग को फुल मार्क जा रहा है बिना उसके. छोटी भी होगी तो भी अच्छी थी.
नहीं, ये आखिरी वाला, ये आखिरी सवाल है. Did you get to know any aspect of your life or your family life? Did you figure out something? कुछ ऐसा कुछ था?
Yes.
इसको यहीं पे छोड़ देते हैं. यस पे क्लिफ हैंगर पे छोड़ देते, यहीं पे छोड़ देते. तो एक आई थिंक दैट वाज आवर Q&A, बट वी गॉट समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर यू ऑल. कुछ तस्वीरें हैं हमारे पास आप लोगों की जो हमने आपके एल्बम्स में से छांट के निकाली हैं. एक एक करके हम आपको वो तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे और आपको हमें बताना है क्या है वो किस्सा या कोई एनेक्डोट या कोई स्टोरी जो आप लोगों को याद है. ऑलराइट, सो वी विल जस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दोस फोटोग्राफ्स टू यू.
पड़ेगा. तो जब हम उस फंक्शन में गए थे षणमुखानंद हॉल में, हम दोनों बहुत छोटे थे उस वक्त, लेकिन मुझे याद है कि फादर ये खड़े होके उन्होंने ये पोज, ये पिक्चर, ये फोटोग्राफ निकाली थी.
थैंक यू सर. विल गो टू आवर नेक्स्ट फोटोग्राफ. ये किससे कहानियां बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी होने वाली है. अगला ये जो अगली तस्वीर है, सर यू वर टू अहेड ऑफ योर टाइम्स. एक शर्ट आपकी बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. व्हाट अ ब्रिलियंट स्टाइल. लव्ड इट.
किसकी शर्ट की बात कर रहे हैं?
आपकी शर्ट की.
मुझे तो राजेश की
हाँ,
शर्ट बहुत पसंद है.
राजू की भी शर्ट कम नहीं है दोस्तों.
भाई ये तो सब क्रेडिट जाता है हमारे ड्रेस डिजाइनर्स को, जो उस वक्त हमको बना के देते थे, हम हम पहन लेते थे. तो इसमें हमारी कोई क्रेडिट नहीं है.
उनको क्रेडिट जाता है पूरा. लेकिन सर यू पुल्ड इट ऑफ सो ब्रिलियंटली. सो आई थिंक दिस वाज वे टू कूलर. टू कूल दिस कूल. ये अगली तस्वीर बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऋतिक, यू हैव अ मेमोरी विद दिस वन.
Yeah, this I think was a photo session that my dad was doing for one of his films, and पता नहीं कौन सी पिक्चर थी यार. शायद खून भरी मांग. या करेक्ट.
यस,
That is the look.
क्या बात है, किसने बताया भाई? और मैं क्या बात है. वाह जी वाह, बल्ले बल्ले. कैसे पता किया यार?
अंदाजा लगाया.
हाँ?
राकेश सर दी लुक तो अंदाजा लगाया. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ
अच्छा.
सेम पिक्चर.
जीनियस है का तू? जीनियस है बंदे.
थैंक यू सर. 500 रुपया.
I think this was you just called me. You called me and said, "Come, I want to take a picture with you." And I came and I sat with you, and this was that picture.
या. भाई आपने कैसे गेस किया ये खून भरी मांग?
मैंने बोला वो कि उसको बोला मैं.
मेरे हाथ में तो मेरा पेट है, क्रोकोडाइल नहीं है.
ये बोला लुक को देख के पहचान गया.
अगली तस्वीर एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी बयां करने वाली है. कैन वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट फोटोग्राफ प्लीज?
This is a photograph of a very ignorant little foolish boy who had no idea that he was standing with the greatest legend of all time. For me, he was Rajni uncle, and I used to talk to him like Yeah, uncle. No. Yes. No. I mean, I had my way with him. Today, if I get a chance to work with him, I will be very different. I will realize the burden and the weight of the moment that I'm sharing screen space with him. My God. But yeah, he was so gentle and so giving. Whenever I messed up a shot, galti hoti thi, so my grandfather used to cut the shot, cut, and Rajni sir used to take the blame. Sorry, my fault. But it was my fault. But every single time I made a mistake, Rajni sir took the blame, so that that child, would not get conscious. So it was incredible.
और भी किस्से कहानियां हैं. इस अगली तस्वीर में तो बहुत सारा ग्रेविटास है.
This one is from Koila.
हाँ, ये कोयला से है. एंड Ritik was assisting in that film, and he used to sit with me on the script writing also, and used to contribute a lot. So, और वो देख रहे हैं हम दोनों को, हम चाय पी रहे हैं आराम से, और सोच रहा है कि मैं काम कर रहा हूँ पीछे से बैक, और ये चाय पी रहे हैं. हाँ जी, क्योंकि वो ही वॉज अ थिंकर.
सर, एक आखिरी किस्सा, एक आखिरी तस्वीर which is etched in all of us millennials, Gen Z, सबकी मेमोरी में. I think ये जो अगली तस्वीर है, everyone will have their moment over here. Can we have 25 years of this magic, Ritik sir? We like magic on the big screen. You came on that screen and everybody has a story with it.
I am so afraid that this film is releasing again. People will go tomorrow after 25 years and think, अरे यार 25 साल पहले हम लोग क्या सोच रहे थे? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, this is a moment from प्यार की कश्ती में, and I remember this guitar was given to me one day before, and I was told that I am supposed to play it. And when you give something like this to someone like me, you can expect me to go crazy. Because I didn't play the guitar, and now I had to look like I could play one. So I couldn't sleep that night. The whole night I kept trying to, make a physical action with my fingers, matching the sound of the instrument in the song, and I went absolutely nuts. And then I nailed it. And I got it absolutely right. Today my sons play the guitar. And they look at that and say, Dad, he just couldn't do it, huh? Because I obviously was play acting it. But at that time, at least my fingers were moving with the sound, but they were all the wrong notes. So yeah, apparently I did not nail it.
But so I think an entire generation has struck a chord with you.